Welcome back to another SEO lesson. Today we are discussing the thin content, a major reason why many websites fail to rank. You will learn what thin content is, why Google dislikes it, and what you can do to avoid it. Thin content refers to web pages with little to no useful information for the reader. It might be too short, lack depth, or be automatically generated without value. Search engines see it as a low quality. Examples include auto-generated pages, doorway pages created just to rank, pages with only a few sentences, duplicate content or articles stuffed with irrelevant keywords. Thin content frustrates users because it does not answer their questions. Google's algorithm, especially the Panda update, penalizes sites with thin content, leading to lower rankings or even de-indexing. Google wants to serve users with the best answers possible. If your page adds no new information compared to other pages, it's less likely to appear in search results. Check your site for pages with low word count, high bounce rate, or minimal engagement. Tools like Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, and SEMrush can help you find such pages. Short content is not always thin content. A short article can still be valuable if it fully answers a query. Thin content means lack of value, not just word count. Expand pages with more useful details. Add original research, include images and videos, and remove or merge low-value pages to improve quality. Before publishing, ask, does this content solve the user's problem? Focus on depth, originality, and accuracy to ensure every page provides value. Removing or improving thin content boosts your site's overall authority, improves ranking, and enhances the user experience. Thin content can quietly harm your SEO. Audit your site regularly, remove low-value pages, and always aim for quality. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.